Hello guys, what's up? My name is Chirag and welcome to Coding with Python Part 7. So in my previous video, we learned how to use while loops and today we are going to utilize them to make a multiplication machine. So the multiplication machine can multiply numbers up till a million, 2 million or even infinite with just 6 lines of code because of the while loop. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So firstly, we are going to take an input from the user for the table number. So x is equal to integer input double quotes and enter table number, and then we go on the next line. We take the next input and we can also just copy this line from here and then we can paste it over here. So y is equal to enter table up to, and then we also have to take another variable called I, which is going to be the number by what x is going to be multiplied by, and that's going to be the variable which we increment each time after the loop ends. So I is equal to 0, so that the table always starts at 0. Now we go on the next line and we say while I is smaller than y plus 1. Now why I say y plus 1 is because the system first prints and then increments the variable. So if we just stop at y, then it's not going to reach till the last number. It's just going to stop at the second last number. It's kind of complicated unless you don't try it yourself or see it. So let's just continue. And then we put the colons and we go at the next line and we type print I is equal to print bracket open x multiplied by I, and then at the end of the loop we are going to increment I by 1, and here is another way to increment the variable. So we first type the plus, then the equal to, and then you type the number you wanted to increment it by. So for this case we are going to type 1 and it's going to increment it. So let's test this out. First we are going to enter 2 just for this video purposes, 10, and now let's full screen this. So let's see 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. I think those are the multiples of 2. And let's check another table. So let's say 3 up till 15. Okay, if you know your multiples 15 of 3, then you might judge if it's correct or wrong. I know my multiples, so let's check it. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 40, 45. Okay, that's correct. But now over here, if you want to print like the number, like the multiple number, so what we can do for that is go in the print statement and type this code. So first we are going to type x comma quotation marks multiplied by x. So x is basically the multiplication sign, and by the commas we are just joining different variables and strings. So x multiplied by I, and then put comma quotation again, and then is equal to, and oh yeah, we also have to close the quotes, and lastly put another comma. Let's check it. I think it's correct, so let's run it. 2, 15, and let's go in full screen. 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20, 2 11s are 22, 2 12s are 24, 2 13s are 26, 2 14s are 28, and 2 15s are 30. Yay! That looks so good. Okay, that's it for this video. Make your unique projects using while loops and all the concepts we have learned, and tag me on Instagram. My Instagram account is linked in the description. That's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Goodbye.